Thank you. Well, before we start our class, let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Okay, now we would like to study about descriptive text. What is descriptive text? Now, I will invite one of your friends to stand in front of the class. Musin Alatas, please stand up and come in front of the class. Yes, thank you. Okay, I want one of you to describe what does he looks like. Amania, only one sentence. What does he looks like? Lazy boy. Lazy boy. Okay. Farhan, how does he looks like?
Cool boy.
Cool boy. About his performance, Amira, what does he look like?
Tidy.
Tidy. Okay, that's good. Please sit down. So that's what called about descriptive text. Yes, descriptive text is what says or a person or things are alike. For example, as we see just now, yang seperti yang sudah kita lihat tadi, bahwa salah satu teman kalian kan udah maju ya, dan beberapa teman kalian menjelaskan seperti apa, dia terlihat seperti apa. Jadi itu yang disebut dengan descriptive text. You got?
Yes,
ma'am. Ya, this is the generic structure. Jadi setiap materi-materi yang ada di bahasa Inggris itu pasti ada generic structure-nya atau ada hal-hal penting yang harus dilihat. Yang pertama yaitu identification. What is identification? Identification is contains about the introduction or a thing that you will describe. Jadi dia akan memperkenalkan. Dia akan menjelaskan hal apa sih itu? Misal mobil. Mobil adalah sebuah kendaraan beroda 4 yang akan kita gunakan untuk melindungi kita dari hujan. Jadi apa ya? Penjelasan atau pengertian penting tentang suatu benda yang akan kalian deskripsikan. Yang kedua yaitu description. Description is contains a description that something that you will describe. Jadi tentang sesuatu. Jadi misal paragraf pertama nih tentang identification. Paragraf keduanya pasti description. Description explains about what will you describe about that things. For example, I told you in the first just now about a car, and then di paragraf kedua kalian akan menjelaskan what does the car looks like. That car's colors are red, and that car looks so good and expensive, something like that. The next one is we will study about what language features will be used. Kemarin kan kita sudah belajar tentang present tense, jadi itu adalah salah satu language features yang ada di descriptive text. There are 4 language features. What are they? The first one is specific participants. Of course, you will have a thing, a person, or something that you will describe. For example, Borobudur Temple, apalagi Kuta Beach, dan segala sesuatu yang bisa dideskripsikan. Apa laptop juga bisa dideskripsikan? Okay, the next one is the use of adjective. Pasti kalau untuk mendeskripsikan itu kata-kata paling besar dan yang paling sering digunakan adalah adjective. For example, a handsome man. What is the adjective word? Handsome. So handsome will explain the man. That's called the use of adjective. The third is the use of simple present tense. Seperti yang sudah kita belajari kemarin kan, teman-teman udah belajar simple present tense yang udah diajarin sama Mr. Fendi kan. Nah, simple present tense itu wajib sekali digunakan dalam descriptive text. Miss, kalau misalkan pakai simple past nggak boleh, karena kalau pakai simple past misalkan she is beautiful, she was beautiful, berarti dia udah nggak cantik sekarang, dia udah cantik gitu, jadi tidak bisa digunakan untuk pendeskripsian. And the last is action verb. Action verb itu misal Miss lagi jelasin di sini itu merupakan action verb, contoh run, sleep, walk, and everything about action verb. Nah, selanjutnya kita baca bareng-bareng ya. Please listen and repeat after me. For sale.
For sale.
2-story house.
2-story house.
It is located near Patrol Highway.
It is located near Patrol Highway.
Sastrawan Street.
Sasaran Street.
Number 3, Flores.
Number 3, Flores.
The house consists of the following:
The house consists of the following:
a living room,
a living room,
a drawing room,
a drawing room,
a dining room,
a dining room,
a study room,
a study room,
a kitchen,
a kitchen,
a bathroom, and a garage.
a bathroom, and a garage.
Wow! As we see, this is descriptive text. I want one of you please explain which one is the identification. Anyone can answer? Yang termasuk kan tadi general statement ada dua ya, general structure, ada identification, ada description. Yang termasuk identification yang mana? Who can answer? Yes, please, Holil.
The first paragraph.
The first paragraph, that's right. Identification, seperti yang Mi sudah jelasin tadi, dia akan menjelaskan pengertiannya. Jadi dia tuh ceritanya kan jual rumah, jadi dia ngejelasin rumahnya terletak di mana, consists of the following. Jadi poin-poin titik-titik hitam itu disebut dengan
Identification.
description. That's good. Well, sekarang kita akan mengerjakan. Please describe this picture and write down on a piece of paper. Please do it now. Langsung ya. Okay, everybody. I think that's all from me. Before we close our class, let's recite Hamdalah together. Thank you so much for your participation. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you guys.